So today I met with Andrea, who came to me looking for an improvement in the contour of her buttock. She previously undergone several surgeries. She'd had facial surgery, breast lift surgery, and a tummy tuck, and now comes to me sort of to complete her total body transformation with the Brazilian buttock lift.
I really felt that my body was out of proportion and that my behind was flat. And therefore of course I've looked at a lot of people who seem to have a round derriere and it's very attractive. And so therefore I wanted to have a Brazilian butt lift.
Andrea is a 50-year-old woman who is in otherwise good health and is just concerned with improving the look of her buttock and improving her waistline and so forth. Sort of proving that the Brazilian buttock lift can be done in patients of all ages.
Well, I did a lot of research on the internet about different doctors, and I thought that I wanted to go to a doctor who had done all kinds of things, who does the complete body, but also specialized in the Brazilian butt lift. I would like to have a rounder, more full behind, more of a definition, and I believe with Dr. Bruno I can achieve that.
So the plan for Andrea's surgery tomorrow will involve liposuction of her lower abdominal area, her love handle area, as well as her lower back and her thighs, inner and outer thighs. And then we're going to transfer the fat into the buttock area, so-called Brazilian buttock lift.
I'm so excited. I can't wait to do this procedure. Hello.
Hi Andrea, how are you?
Good.
How have you been?
Good.
Are you ready for today?
I'm ready.
Excellent. Well, we're going to take some photos first. So today Andrea is 3 months since her Brazilian buttock lift surgery and she's doing very well. I examined her. She has a very nice waist to hip ratio. She has a slimmer waist. She has very good projection in the buttock and pretty good size. I think she retained a very reasonable amount of the fat, which is usually about 2/3 of the fat that we inject. I think her thighs look really great. We did a liposuction of her inner and outer thighs.
I have the hourglass figure that I wanted, not only in the front, but in the back. Now, thanks to Dr. Bruno, I have the Brazilian butt. I would say my self-confidence has changed in the sense that how I carry myself and how I feel about myself is I feel like the complete woman because I'm shaped in a certain way.
Overall, I think she's really happy, and at 3 months, this is the look that I can expect to be permanent because whatever fat has shrank has happened in the first few months. So it's a very permanent effect that she gets, and now at the age of 50, this sort of completes her whole body transformation that she's been eagerly awaiting.
I feel just like a brand new woman.